Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to make a hotel booking website using Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you might be new to Wix here and you're wondering how to exactly create a hotel booking website. Well, this one is very simple. You just need to make sure that you enter the correct information when you're doing so. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and you want to go and click on the create new site at the top right here. Let's go and choose the option here that says use Wix editor. Now, by the way, if you've created your account recently, the first thing that you'll be seeing is going to be this UI here. So again, if you're you just created your account, this is what you'll be seeing. So let's go and click on set up without chat here. Now, you could use the AI here to start building your website, but we want to go and use the default one, which in this case first is going to ask you what type of website do you want to create. Now, since we want to create a hotel booking website, you want to go and indicate that in here. It's going to just type in hotel booking. It's going to give you a bunch of options here. So in this case, you have hotel agent, booking agency, hotel bar, hotel design studio, and a lot more. Now, let's go and choose something closer to what we're looking for. So if this is a pet hotel, go and choose that. If you're a golf hotel, go ahead and choose that. Cat hotel, book event, travel agency. But let's go and choose hotel here as the basic one and click on continue. Now, it's really important that you choose the correct one here again because it will automatically set up things for you and it's going to make our lives a lot easier. But what you need to do here is you need to set up your website first. So first is we want to go ahead and add the website name. So for example, I want to name this as my name and hotel. Let's add a spot here if you want. Let's go and click on continue. Now, in this case, it's going to ask you which apps that you need to install here. So by default, it's going to add Wix hotels here since we chosen hotel. But if you want to add, like for example, Instagram feed, if you want to add bookings, online store, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go and click on continue. And for me, it's going to say all set. Let's go and click on continue to dashboard. Now, from here, the most important part that you need to do here is you just need to follow the setup process that Wix already has set up for you, which is something pretty simple. It makes this a lot easier for us. So you have the option to add your domain, add your first room type, add your payment methods, design your website, get found on Google, and discover Wix Enterprise. But I would suggest you to first click on design site at the top right here so that you could choose the design that you want to use. So let's go and click on pick template. But if you want to generate one using AI, you could go and click on generate design. Now from here, there are going to be a number of designs that you choose from. And depending on what you've entered before, it's going to give you different suggestions. So again, like what I said, there are going to be different suggestions that you could get here. But for example, maybe I want to get the Hotel Elegant here. Click on the edit button. Now from here, just wait for it to load up. Now once it's actually loaded up, you should be able to see the editor and start editing your website. Now obviously editing your website here is kind of extensive. There are going to be a lot of things that you could do here and start changing. But generally speaking, what you need to understand is at the left panel, this is where you'll be able to start adding sections, elements, start managing your menus, your site design, and app tools. So yeah. So if you want to learn more about that, we have a bunch of tutorials for that. So you might want to visit our channel here. But yeah, so in here, if you want to add an element, just click on add element here. And this is where you add your text, images, buttons. Now, if you want to use like templates, you could use sections here, which in this case are customized to whatever you need. So you have team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, and a lot more. Now, if you want to use specific ones for different services out there, like for example, for events, we choose events, but obviously you need to add the events app first. If you want to start managing your pages, you could go to site pages and menu. You could go and click on any of this one and you should be able to start editing them. Now for design for your whole website, you just need to go to site design and change the default colors that you'll be using. If you want to add an app, you could go in Wix App Market. You can go and click on My Business to manage your already existing apps here. And if you want to manage your files or your photos, this is where you'll be able to see them under the photos icon here. And if you want to manage your CMS, which in this case works like a database for your website, you can go click on Use CMS and just click on Add to Site here. But yeah, going back into our previous page here, let's go and go back a little bit. So I would really suggest you to basically first complete the whole setup process here. So a great thing about Wix here is they guide you through the whole process, adding your room type, payment methods, and also allows you to manage your SEO for Google, so that you could be found on Google itself. But yeah, so those are the steps in order for you to get started here on Wix, the booking websites. Now, obviously, there are more that you could do here for managing your website, building your website, but that's how you get started. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Till and app. Thank you for watching.